Changing your password on eBay is a straightforward process that helps keep your account secure. Follow these steps to update your password. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the eBay website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your current username and password to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the My eBay section. From there, select Account and then click on Personal Information to find your account settings. Step 3. Select Password Change option. In the Personal Information section, look for the option labeled Change Password. Click on this option to proceed to the password change page. Step 4. Enter current and new passwords. You will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets eBay's security requirements such as length and complexity. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the required information, click on the Save button to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your eBay password and enhance your account security. Remember to choose a strong password and keep it confidential.